Hi. A few days ago, we published a new application, TranscribeHub, on Kukarella. This application allows you to transcribe all sorts of media, text, documents, pull text from images with text, transcribe YouTube video, and extract text from websites, from URL links. You can also record your speech and transcribe it. So when you land on TranscribeHub page, create new project, and here you can select one of three options. Let's start with recording. It will transcribe your speech, and when you're ready, just click stop. And in a few seconds you should see transcription. A recording will be saved here on the left, in the left panel. Okay, so no, it doesn't seem right. Let's try again. Let's say something about this recording, how it's done. We're using Whisper API created by OpenAI, which provides best quality from and it stays way ahead of any other AI model which we tried. I just wanted to double check if transcription will be accurate. Let's see, because this one probably is not accurate. Yeah, all seems right. Okay. You see, we created two recordings, which you can download. You can also see summary, and so on. Transcribe files is another tool. You can upload audio, video, documents, images with text. At once, you can transcribe up to 12 files, and file size limit is quite high, 2 gigabytes. So I have few files open here. So this is doc, this is PDF. There are a couple screenshots. So let's go ahead and take this screenshot, PDF, doc file, and video file. Drag and drop, hit transcribe. PDF and doc file were transcribed instantly. Okay. Screenshot. Yeah, this is a screenshot text. You see, you can click on file here, and if you click on expand button, you can see whole transcription and play it back. Okay, the last file is done. Let's open it.
Hello, I'm Dan Hawtrey. I'm the CEO and founder of Content Formula, and we're the company behind...
Okay. When transcription is completed, check text, because there might be some typos. For example, like here, the correct name of the company is Kukarella. So make sure that you check it. Well, so we transcribed speech, transcribed files, different types of files, image, text, document, video file. What else you can do? You can transcribe YouTube video or scrape text from web page. Just paste a link. If we go to Kukarella, and choose this link, paste it here, scrape text. It should be pretty quick. Once this is done, I will show you how you can repurpose content which you transcribed to different type of content. Yeah, so text was pulled from this page, from this URL. Okay, now let's say that you want to repurpose this content. Maybe whole project, maybe you were just putting together different files related to the same topic. In that case, we recommend using this AI assistant, where you can ask, for example, write a summary of this text, or you can translate this whole project to different languages. Remember to specify what language you're talking about. Or if it's recording of a meeting, you can create meeting minutes. You can write any prompt, request you can think of. And in this case, you will be dealing with whole text in this project with all these files. There is another option. Let's say that you want to repurpose one paragraph only. So let's say this one. In this case, click on Ask AI in the context menu and say something like write tutorial based on this text, and remember that correct name of the company is Zorada. Okay, let's go. So as you see, it creates a post which you can publish on your website, and it takes just a few seconds. This means that you can repurpose your content. Anything you transcribed with TranscribeHub could be repurposed. And also you can definitely save it as PDF doc files. You can download source media files. You can share this project with others. In this case, if you share a link, anyone who receives this link will be able to see this project without option to edit it. So only viewer access. Next, a last piece I wanted to cover. We added this experimental feature, Ask AI. So if you go to TranscribeHub landing page, you see that you can select multiple projects and you can analyze them with AI. Let's say that those projects were related to some work you've been doing for a client, or they all related to a specific program or course. Select those projects and choose how do you like to analyze them. For example, if it's a business and you were conducting interviews with employees, you can select multiple projects and analyze these interviews and describe challenges and business opportunities for the company, or climate in the company. Or if it's educational course, you can ask this tool to write a structure of a course, modify your course. So sky is the limit. Experiment and share your thoughts how you can use it. How would you like to use it? If there is anything we missed, please let us know. And by the way, just quick reminder, when you're dealing with AI assistant from this page, history will be saved here. So anytime you can come back and continue this chat. So this is a previous chat. We've been working with these interviews. In this chat, we were dealing with these projects. Okay, so that's about it. Please give it a try. Share your thoughts. If you find any bugs, please send us a mail and we will fix it as soon as possible. I hope this application will help you with your work. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.